Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Deadpool. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the head. Let's start with a curve across at the top. Then let's curve it down and in from both ends. And then close it off at the bottom with a curve across. And that's it for the shape of the head. Now let's move in and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with two curves. And then add a curve underneath. Next, we're going to hop out and let's draw the pattern on the mask. From the top left, let's draw an angle down, and the same on the top right. Now let's draw a long curve down and bring it back in underneath each eye. Now from the top, let's angle it in and curve it down. And then a curve down to close off each side. And then underneath, let's draw another small line down. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and let's draw the body. Let's start underneath the head and let's draw two angled lines down and out for the shoulders. And then a curve underneath the head in the center. And then one more inside this one. Next, underneath each shoulder, let's draw a bent line going down like this. And then bring it down and in on both sides for the sides of the body. And then a curve down for the hips. Next, at the bottom here, let's draw the belt. Let's start in the center and let's draw a circle. Then let's add two lines down in the center. And then curve it out on both sides. Now top out, and next to the hips, let's draw a square shape. And then a curve across in the center. Then let's add another small square underneath the line. Now on the sides of the hips here, let's add another pouch with a rectangle shape. And then a curve across inside. Now top back into the center and let's draw two curves going out on both sides of the circle. And that's it for the belt. Now let's draw the strap going across the chest. Let's start underneath the right shoulder and let's draw a curved rectangle shape going down. And then two angles going down across the chest. And then add two lines inside near the top. And that's it for the strap. Now let's move in and let's draw the details on the body. Let's start with two lines going down the center and then bring it behind the strap to the belt. Now on top, let's draw a line across on both sides. Now top down and let's draw two angled lines. And the same on the right side. and then a vertical line inside the section. Now next to this line, let's draw two curves going inwards. And then curve it out, meeting at a point. Next, let's hop down into the next section and let's draw a line down and angle it in. And then bring it down to the belt. And that's it for the torso. Now let's move out and draw the arms. Let's start by adding the shoulder pauldrons. From the tops of the arms, let's draw a curve going out and bring it down. Then from the top, let's angle it in and down with a bent line. And then a curve at the bottom to close it off. And then let's add two curves inside. Now to continue the arm, let's angle it out and bring it down. And the same bent line underneath. And then close off the end with a curve. Now let's move inside and let's add some details to the arms. Let's add two curves near the bottom. And then two at the elbows. And then underneath the shoulders, let's draw a line down and bring it out. Now let's move down to the bottom and let's draw the hands. From the inside, let's bring it out and curve it down. Then from the outside, a small angle. Next, let's hop in and let's draw a curve. And then next to this curve, let's curve it out and back around. Next, let's add some details on the glove. Let's draw an angled line down and out. And then add some stripes inside. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move down and draw the legs. From the hips, let's draw a curve down on both sides. Then let's hop to the center and let's draw a curve across. And then two curves underneath, making them a little bit longer. Now from the outside line, let's curve it out and down. And close off the bottom of each foot. Next, let's move inside and let's draw some details. Let's draw a curve down inside each foot, and then a curve across each ankle. Next, let's hop up and let's draw an angled line down, bring it down and out on both sides. And then add two curves across at the bottom. Now on the outside of each leg, let's draw a skinny rectangle. Now underneath on the left leg, let's draw two curves. And then a rectangle pouch next to the leg. Let's add a curve inside, and then a square underneath. Next, let's move over to the right leg and let's draw two curves, and then two more underneath. And then add a skinny rectangle on the side. And that's it for the legs. Lastly, let's add the swords on the back. Let's start on the shoulders and let's draw an angled line up and out on both sides. Then let's hop in and let's draw another angled line behind the head in the same way. And then close it off at the ends. And lastly, let's add some stripes inside. And that's it for Deadpool. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!